The combination of artificial intelligence and synthetic data is proving to be a game changer in the fight against financial fraud. There is no doubt that financial crime threats are increasing daily in both volume and cost to the industry and its customers. Amid the rising number of consumer and business fraud attack methods, the banking industry seems to always be playing a game of catch up with the criminals. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence has certainly helped to protect against scams and prevent money laundering. Yet, many of the best bank AI defenses now in place are based on the use of historical or internal sources alone. Artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and anomalies indicative of fraudulent activity. Synthetic data can be used to create diverse and realistic data sets, improving the AI's ability to detect even the most sophisticated fraud schemes. By accurately identifying fraudulent transactions, AI reduces false positives, minimizing customer inconvenience. Synthetic data can help create more accurate customer profiles, leading to personalized services without compromising privacy. Synthetic data can be used to rapidly develop and test AI models, allowing financial institutions to stay ahead of evolving fraud tactics, and the synthetic data can be used to protect sensitive customer information while still providing valuable insights for fraud prevention. With the use of AI, anti money laundering, credit card fraud, and identity theft can be controlled. Many institutions are simply falling behind as fraudsters constantly change their tactics and innovate new ways to wring ill gotten gains from the financial system. Financial services companies must establish clearer, more open communications and be prepared and allowed to confidentially exchange both internal and external intelligence data to bolster their own AI systems against transaction and account threats. The convergence of AI and synthetic data is revolutionizing the financial industry's approach to fraud prevention. By harnessing the power of these technologies, financial institutions can create a robust defense mechanism to safeguard customer data, detect fraudulent activities, and enhance overall customer experience. Let's look into today's headlines. Adani's Super App initiates digital lending trials with fintechs and NBFCs. Adani One, the Super App developed by the Adani Group, is now initiating pilot projects with digital lending firms and non-banking financial companies, that is NBFCs, to provide loans through the platform. Operated under Adani Enterprise Limited's digital branch, Adani Digital Labs Limited, the company has established a partnership with Crazy Bee Services to offer personal loans. Adani One is also in discussions with other NBFCs and fintech companies to expand its credit product offerings. Google Search rolls out new protections to address deepfakes. Google is rolling out new safety features designed to tackle explicit deepfakes more effectively. The new measures simplify the process of removing explicit, non consensual fake content from search. When users successfully request the removal of such content, Google's systems will also filter out similar explicit results and remove duplicate images. The goal is to offer peace of mind to individuals concerned about future occurrences of similar content. Microsoft lists longtime partner OpenAI as competitor in its annual report. In Microsoft's latest annual report, the tech giant has labeled OpenAI as a competitor. This small inclusion could hint at a notable shift in their relationship. The announcement has stirred quite an interest given Microsoft's significant investment in OpenAI and its collaborative history with the AI company. As OpenAI's exclusive cloud partner, Microsoft integrated OpenAI's AI models into its products for both commercial clients and consumers. Notably, Microsoft has invested around $13 billion in OpenAI. Dell Latitude 7455 Copilot Plus AI PC launched in India. Dell announced its Latitude 7455 laptop in India that supports Copilot Plus features on Windows 11 and is powered by Qualcomm's latest ARM processors, the Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus. The The laptop supports AI features like co-creator and live captions that are touted to improve user productivity. The laptop is claimed to offer a local video playback time of up to 22 hours and flaunts an aluminum chassis. CrowdStrike sued by shareholders over worldwide software outage. CrowdStrike has been sued by shareholders who alleged the cybersecurity company for defrauding them. In a proposed class action filed, shareholders said CrowdStrike concealed how its inadequate software testing could cause the July 19 global outage that crashed more than 8 million computers. CrowdStrike's share price fell 32% over the next 12 days, wiping out $25 billion of market value. As the outage's effects became known, Chief Executive George Kurtz was called to testify to the US Congress. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.